Great minds do think alike. Both Big Energy Bull and myself have completely liquidated our equity positions. We do think differently though. He's a very sophisticated and savvy investor, whereas I'm on the other end of the spectrum. I try to keep it as absolutely as simple as possible. In fact, I prefer to keep it to the level of an 8th grade math class as far as analyzing companies goes. And in any case, when both the sophisticated investor in concert with the simple investor decide to get out of equities, alarm bells should be going off for those that are still in the market. And those that are still in the market should be walking on eggshells at this point, because when the hedge funds finally decide to sell, and enough of them decide to sell, at some point they will reach the tipping point, and when this tipping point is reached, there will be an avalanche of selling, and that will destroy record amounts of wealth around the world. What is my plan going forward? Well, it's not to reinvest in base metal producers or non-producers at this time. In my opinion, the reality is that the base metal flame is ready to burn out, and those left in the sector will experience increasing risk with each passing day as we get closer to the coming economic collapse. My intention was always to hang on just a little while longer, and it was my intention to hang on to Quadra Mining until they got bought out at a significantly higher price, closer to fair valuation. However, given the current conditions and the various reasons as outlined in the slideshow, I decided to exit the stock position earlier than I desired. While I am 100% cash at this time, I realize cash is not the answer. However, it is a short-term solution to the problem of owning equity. But going forward, I do intend to keep a lookout for value, especially in those sectors that I want to become invested in. And I must admit that being 100% cash is a very weird experience. The last time I was 100% cash, I was in the 5th grade. And it was when I was in the 5th grade that I was actually putting some money together to buy some shares of the Fuddruckers IPO. And at that time I bought 11 shares at $7 a share. With that, I would like to wish everybody good luck, and as always, do your own due diligence.